this video, I am going to show you a very powerful way on how to start earning up to $200 daily on PayPal from the comfort of your own home. We're gonna define how to start the entire process from zero with this powerful method, even if you're just getting started. And I want you to see how good this is. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, you will be earning a lot of money. So get ready, prepare to take notes, and let's dive right in. Also, I will share an insider tip that you can't find anywhere else. That will make you go from zero to $200 a day real quick. If you don't know it already, currently there is a very high demand for logos in the market, ranging from people that want to start making YouTube videos, people that want to start a brand, a company, or even a dropshipping service. Every single person that wants to branch out and that wants to solidify a brand of any sort will definitely need a logo. And most of those people opt for the option of hiring someone to make their logos for them. So this is what we're gonna talk about in this video, and make sure to stay tuned because I will show you exactly how to start the entire process. Let's go to this website first. In the info section, if we scroll down, we can see a lot of logos being sold for a lot of money. The first one, for example, called Chili Ship logo, is a boat looking like a chili, and it's being sold for a whopping $400. Next to it, there are other logos being sold for $600, $300, $350, and the prices range much more than this. These logos might seem professional to you or very hard to achieve, but in reality, everyone can do this. And believe me, next up, I'm gonna show you how to make your own attractive logo. This website is not the only place where you can sell your services. For example, let's head to one of the most popular freelance websites on the planet, which is Fiverr.com. If you don't know Fiverr, Fiverr is the perfect freelance service for your business. If you look just below the search bar here, we have popular services that are being suggested to us because they're being sold a lot on this platform. One of those services is logo design. If we click on it, we're gonna get redirected to this page, which is logo design section of the website. Scroll down a bit and you can see that buyers have the option to even select the logo style. Keep scrolling down and you're gonna find so many gigs posted by so many people doing the same thing that we're gonna start doing as well. If we scroll back up and look for gigs with a lot of reviews, we can get a general idea on how this method works. In this gig, this person says that he or she will design 2 modern minimalist logo designs. If we scroll down just a little bit to the media section, we can see what this person is offering. The pictures show the different styles that this person can produce. The right section of this gig is the most important part. We have 3 different packages. The first one being basic, goes for $10, and these are the services that this person is providing. The next package is standard, which is going for $35. It also has all the services being provided as well. And the last package, which is the premium one and the most expensive one, is going for $125. So what are you guys waiting for? We can all be doing this. We can start our own gigs and start promoting the logos that we're making. Even though we're not professionals, we can still make it seem like it was done by professional people and start racking in the money. Now here comes the good part. We're gonna go to this website and I'm gonna show you exactly how we can start earning as much money as the prices for these logos, whether it's the first website or Fiverr, knowing that we are not professional logo makers. Now, the first step is heading to this website called BrandCrowd. BrandCrowd is a website that's gonna help us make our logos. If you look at this bar, we can type in whatever we want. In this case, I'm gonna type in success. This is gonna generate so many logos with the text I typed in. Let's choose a logo that we like. For example, I'm gonna choose this one with the astronaut. On the right side, we can start by editing the text. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. We can choose different fonts if you want to change it. We can also choose the color, and what's good about this part is we can use the same color as the image of the logo. Choose if we want an outline or not, or also shadows. Next part is layout. We can start by changing the layout of the logo. I'm just gonna keep it the same way it was before because I like that one. Next, we have the background. We can start changing the background colors. I'm gonna keep it blue. The logo part is the one I like the most because we can change individual colors of the logo. For example, if you look at here, I'm changing the color of the stars. I'm gonna choose this gradient color because it's very cool looking. The last part is shapes. We can also add shapes to our logo. We have a list of so many shapes. If I click on one of these shapes and click on add, I can add that shape to my logo, but I'm not gonna do so. I like the logo how it already is. And voila! Your logo is ready. You can download it in very high quality and either list it for sale or send it to one of your many to come clients. What I would suggest you do is list your logos in every single platform to get the most revenue possible. After some practice, you can start making better and better logos that will sell for even more, so you might be able to even pass the $200 a day mark. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for so many much more tips to come on how to make money online.